And welcome back. This is just a quick sort of public service announcement kind of video on the Tuesday, just to let you know that things are going to get a little bit hectic over the next couple of weeks. I have finally, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen this, or maybe if you saw last Friday's video, you'll have seen that I've been having some trouble with this linseed oil paint on these little bedside tables that I've made. That looks like they're now touch dry. Yes, they're touch dry. So hopefully I can get the drawers fitted in those and get them out of here, because I really need the space. There's an awful lot going on. The frantic fortnight to the Makers Central madness has already started. This week is fairly straightforward. Today's video and Friday's video will be as normal. But for next week, that'll be the week before Maker Central. That's going to be particularly crazy. I'm not too sure what I'm going to have for you then, so the schedules may get a little bit topsy-turvy, may get turned upside down on their heads a little bit. So you just have to bear with me with that. Did I mention we've got merch? We've got merch. I've got a Teespring store, a whole range of wittily sloganed T-shirts and mugs and phone covers and all that kind of thing, type of thing, in all kinds of colours and sizes. Lots of those available down in the Teespring store. It usually pops up immediately beneath the videos, but of course there is a link in the video description to all that good stuff. Talking of links in the video description, I've been doing a lot more on Instagram recently, and one of the headaches with Instagram is they only allow you to have one clickable link in your profile. This is a bit of a headache, because do you link to a store? Do you link to your YouTube channel? Do you link to the companion website? In fact, I've started using a service called Linktree, and I've got that's just an easy way for you to link to several things. I could do this myself, but it's a really easy way of doing it. So now the only link you really need to remember is it's a bit.ly link, so bit.ly/10-minute links, 10-minute links. Will take you to a page which has buttons for you to watch me on YouTube. You know that already. You can follow me on Instagram. You can support me through Patreon. You can listen to me on the podcast. You can visit the 10-minute workshop companion website. You can shop on the Teespring store. Did I mention we had merch? We got merch. Or indeed, you can go to the petermiller.com commercial website, but remember that's for business enquiries only. This seems to be working really well so far. Apparently it can mess with your Google Analytics, which makes it harder to track your campaigns. I've got to be honest, I don't really understand what any of that means, so I don't think it's going to affect me too badly, but certainly the Linktree bit.ly/10-minute links link is working quite well for me. Give that a try and see if it works for you as well. But that's kind of it for this week, really. Just to, as I say, a quick public service announcement, State of the Union kind of thing. I've got to get the workshop cleared out. I've got to get these little bedside tables out of the way, because I've got a project, a sort of multi-part series coming out, which is quite involved. It's quite interesting. It's something I've got to build. It involves metalwork as well as woodwork. So that'll be an interesting little project, and fingers crossed I'll have something out for the week of Maker Central as well. But that's kind of it for this week. Come and join us on Maker Central. If you do get to Maker Central, I'm on stand G25 with my podcast co-host Andy Mack, of course, from Gossip Handyman. And don't forget, we've got a merch store. Did I mention that? We've got a merch store. So yeah, come and say hi, get a selfie with us, and maybe grab a cup of coffee sometime. But that's it for this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.